All right, back at you with another Cooking Creations. This is Chef Brenton, Executive Chef at Four Winds Casino. We're here at Kankakee Live in New Buffalo. I want to talk about the ultimate comfort food, potatoes. And today we're gonna make a mashed potato casserole. We got holidays, we got cold weather coming, we want some stick to your rib kind of food here. So let's show you how it's done. We're about to come at you. All right, here we go. Okay, just got it panned up. We just finished it. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of paprika on top to help brown that breadcrumb. Make it nice and appeasing to your family and friends. A little holiday treat. What's nice about this is a side dish that you can do with any dinner that you want to do. You don't need gravy with your mashed potatoes. This kind of takes care of it. You got the cheese, you got the breadcrumbs. It gives it a nice crisp. It also bakes around the edging, makes it nice and crispy too. So enjoy it, man. This is from my kitchen to yours. It's a nice family recipe. Hey, enjoy Cooking Creations.